How to use Amazon gift card on Paxful. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon gift card on Paxful. To use an Amazon gift card on Paxful to buy Bitcoin or other cryptos, you will need to follow this step. First of all, you will need to open your Paxful application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. On this Paxful homepage, now here you need to tap on wallet icon at the bottom. Once you tap on this wallet, now you will reach to this page. Here you will see buy option in this Bitcoin. Tap on this buy, and now once you reach to this page, you make sure the Bitcoin is selected. Now here next to BTC or the Bitcoin, there you will see a filter icon. Tap on this icon. And once you do so, here you will see some options. Here tap on this any payment method, and from here you need to select Amazon. If you didn't find this Amazon from here, you can also use the search bar and there type in Amazon gift card. Below you will see the search results. Tap on this Amazon gift card, and once you select it, here now enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy. Tap on it and enter the amount. Here make sure you choose the correct address and the currency. Once you have done that, below you will find various offers. Browse through the list of these offers and choose the seller that fits your criteria. Once you find the one that you are interested in, tap on it to open it. Now here read the trade instructions provided by the seller. Tap on this read more and go through the seller instructions, and once you are satisfied with it, tap on this buy now option at the very bottom. Now here you will need to provide the Amazon gift card code and a photo of card with the receipt depending on the seller's requirements. You need to follow the seller's instruction on how to submit the gift card details, and once the seller verifies the gift card balance, they will release the Bitcoin to your Paxful wallet. And once the transaction is complete, you will see the Bitcoin in your Paxful wallet. So by following the steps, you should be able to use your Amazon gift card on Paxful. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.